With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here we have a question from the chapter Thermal Expansion. A pendulum clock consists of aluminium rod connected to a bob. If the temperature of the surrounding becomes double, then the time period of the pendulum will be. So what you have is, we know that time period of a pendulum is given by 2 pi under root L by G. So if the surrounding of the temperature is doubled, then it is obvious that some amount of heat is going to be absorbed by the rod. So due to high surrounding temperature, the rod is going to absorb heat, and we know that aluminium is a very good conductor of heat. So as aluminium is a very good conductor of heat, we know that as delta T increases, so the length of the pendulum will also increase. So length pendulum will also increase, and if the pendulum length is increasing, then it is obvious that as temperature is directly proportional to half power of length, so if length is increasing, the time period will also increase. So for the given question, our correct option will be option C, that as the temperature of the surrounding increases, so due to some heat interaction, the temperature of the rod is also going to increase, and due to that increase in temperature of the rod, the length of the rod increases, and due to that the time period of the rod increases as well. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.